The central control screen fits Mitsubishi Lancer EX from 2010 to 2017. It features a 12.3-inch display with resolutions of 2400 and 896, equipped with an 8-core UIF 7870 processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB internal storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. A web sets for 6 pieces. Look at the first one. This one is the 4G antenna, Bluetooth rear view antenna, USB antenna, R4A 4G SIM slot cable, GPS antenna, original car USB adapter cable, power cable, screw. This is the accessory for our central control screen. How to switch to the URV3 interface? Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to change the car position? You can see the 3 layout curve here. And tap this 3 dot button and you can change the position freely as you like. How to change the content of the layout? The 3 car layout contents can all be replaced. Tap this icon and then you can see the plugin selection here and tap the YouTube. And then you can see the replacement have changed successfully. And also you can see on the side is a button here and you can check it out to make its position as its try original sign. Slide down the screen and you can see the drop down menu here. You can adjust the brightness and the value here, and also the night mode for you, and the screensaver looks very fantastic. And how to change the themes of the original car interface. Long press the menu and you can see here we have already prepared 6 things for you. You can choose one you like and then back. And the original interface has changed successfully. And how to customize the starter bar. Long press any icon on the starter bar and then plus the icon you want. And you have replaced it successfully. Now look at the setting here. The first one is the wireless network. Here you can connect the Wi-Fi and you can use the internet. And the GPS info for you and the general. There are so many different kinds of functions for you. And the factory with the password 336A. Inside you can see here for you to choose. And the wire setting for you and the protocol setting and display. Here you can adjust the backlight brightness of the day and the night. Also custom adjustment for you and tilting for you. Let's have a look. And also the sound here, the sound mixing scale for you, and the app, and also the storage and the locations, the password and account, and system, language and setting. You can see here to change language. If you want French, just tap it and the language has changed successfully. Look at the video player. Here you can watch the video here. And tap this icon into the small window mode, and here you can see the video here. Look at the equalizer. The first one is the DTS, and the equalizer has so many different control style for you. And this is the sound field setting full mode for you, and surround sound, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, stereo and sound filtering. Look at the Bluetooth. Here, after connect your phone, can see the BT phone here has names and call, record, and phone book. Can download the contrast and also the device for you and BT sets. Tap the car link and you can see here so many phone app for you. Look at the first one, phone, and the map here, and also here you can search for the destination you want to go, and the message, and setting. Here you can change the wallpaper into the color you want. And here you can see the song player to the nap song and the private song. And also here can directions and go. Look at the media. Here you can see the music player and the playlist on the right side. And also look at the radio. We have 2 options for you, AM and FM. And the Bluetooth music, after connect your phone, You can hear the music here and the online postcard for you, and the right side is the playlist or our online radio. Now look at the Play Store. Here, there are so many different combo games for you to download and so many different kinds of app for you to choose. And also here, you can search for the app you want. Now look at the YouTube. Here, you can see there are so many beautiful videos here. And here you can see the short video for you, and it's very smooth. Let's see the map here, and you can search for the destination and so many different comes off for you.